So guys, re lebeletse tsamaya le makhosi phela wa bona guys. So our ancestors. Oh, I forgot to say, guys, you know, I even forgot to tell my friend, he's in front. I picked up a 5 rand today. That's how I saw that today it's like on the way. So on my way from home to the office, because I actually met up with the guy at the office, and then we departed from the office. So as I'm going from home to the office, I know I shouldn't have paused the video, because it was just, the cops were positive, like they were just speaking, they saw the plans and they were like they were wishing us good luck, and yeah. So okay, my friend is a Nyanga, that's why I never link the Renex. That's why I don't just go around to deep slot. We are still in deep slot, guys. So as I was still saying, I even lost my train of thought, you know, I'm speaking too much. But yeah, guys, remote deep slot. Yes. Till yeah, sensor tsamaya. But yeah, no deep slot. King a deep slot mall. I've never even been here. There is free Wi-Fi. Okay. Key deep slot. Oh, you know, guys, now I've always had deep slot. Kalibito. Deep slot. Oh, okay. Key or not deep slot. Okay. Now, because every time but to buy deep slot. Okay. So as you can see, guys, there's a whole lot of construction this side. There's a whole lot of construction. I'm just happy even with how the cops were when they stopped us. So I think that roadblock, I think they even kinda stopping people and then searching them or what, but they kinda saw it's nothing illegal here. You know, guys, we don't do anything. Yo, M4, Sheba M4 let me try something. So I don't know, I think Nali the roadblock because already I think we passed 2 already. Yeah, we passed 2, but we were only stopped by the one at that time. They think they were just taking a peek here inside, looking, and then they just saw it's building materials really for the land. So guys, yeah. So as now we are still in deep slot. So yeah, we are still in deep slot. So I've never, this is my first time in Klulamo, guys. I've always had deep slot Kalibito, I'm used to this type of environment. So I trip down every day, but so you see Akubona environment there, so I'm not, you see, it's not something something very exciting. Because as I was saying, before I was still saying the 5 rand story. I picked up a 5 rand in the morning when I was on the way from home to the office. So okay, even my girlfriend is Kaftin, but it's somewhere there. I think it's in this plastic, or there's a blue plastic somewhere. Yeah, so the baby waka. Oh, guys, that's why this side is heavy car construction. I'm sure even that side next time there'll be houses built. So guys, you see, Porsche Panamera. Abatia push Panamera. Yeah, so as I was walking to the office, I don't know, I like walking, guys, like even when I'm late. Okay, but I wasn't really much late because the guy told me, by the time he told me he's leaving home, I think I was halfway to the office, you see. So what happened is I picked up a 5 rand, and then that's how I saw Rai. Cause like you don't just pick up money, you see. And then I picked it up vele in the side of the road where people pass, like a lot of people pass there. So in my mind I'm just thinking, oh, how many people passed and didn't see this 5 rand. So like that was actually at the first sign that I had. And then as I was still walking, I started at a shop because I had to take out some money. So there's this other woman by the parcel counter. Here's another roadblock again, guys. I don't know, guys. I think very see. Let me just, you see, even here. So it's just hectic, guys. It's hectic. Probably you see, as we're still making the video. So okay, I picked up the money. I got to the shop. So this old lady as well, by the parcel counter. I don't know, like for me, I'm just humble to everyone, and I treat everyone the same, whether a parcel counter or manager at a store. I'll treat you the same way or what. So this lady is like, hey, something like that. Now that really like touched me, because to me I was just, I was like, langa lakho linjani so far, ayube nelanga elihle ma oleli, just how yama yenhloko bafethu avele ngayikhalela. So in fact, guys, I'll make a video properly because I think the sound here is not even gonna be properly.